Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to turn on Grayscale on Android. So be sure you stay throughout the whole video so you don't miss any steps. Hope you will like this video and subscribe to my channel Tutorial Lore. Let's go for how to turn on Grayscale on Android for free. Let's go. First, you have to open your settings and then scroll down and find the About Phone option and click on it. After that, click on 8 to 10 times on Build Number to get Developer option. I have already Developer mode, so that's coming. Now you have to go to the developer option and find Simulate Color Space. Otherwise, you can go to the search and type Simulate Color Space. After searching it, you will be redirected here. Now you have to click on it and then select second option named Monochromacy. And our Done Your Grayscale is on now. So this all in today's video. Hope you must have understood that how to turn on Grayscale. On Android, there is no easier way than this. If you still don't understand anything, then you can comment. I will definitely reply to you or make a video on your topic. Hit the like button and press the subscribe, drop a comment. It's motivate us. Thank you.